Add oil, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, garlic and onion, and saute this till light brown. Add turmeric, coriander powder and garam masala and fry well. Add sweet potatoes, mix vegetables and mix well. Add salt to taste, veg stock cubes and pasta. Add some coriander and 2 liters of water and let this come to a boil. Cook this soup till the pasta is cooked. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel Elleroy and don't forget to visit our store at elleroy.co.uk. All the information is in the description below. See you in the next video.